Okay. Yeah. So let's go to show the report. To the dashboard. Work orders. Calculated fields. Standard costs. Graphical report. Analytics. Using the information that you have, I need to have some graphical reports. The example that I have is a standard cost method, personnel cost in this work order, open work order. Oh, maybe this one. Okay, let's go to create a new report. And in this case, I'm gonna put together the level 2 and level 3 because it's the level 3 is graphical report and the level 2, the level 3 and level 4, and the level 4 is calculated fields. So I'm going to create one report, well, not here, because this is the sandbox. In the sandbox, for the report done. So this is the report. Go to do this using advanced filter. Okay, so I'm going to create a new report. So it's a new report. So it's gonna be name is open flash close work orders. Descriptions, just B, Control B, training sample. What is the type of it's gonna be a work orders, and I'm going to select public output type. Gonna be a graph. Okay, this will be the same thing because it's just a graph. So, and now let's go to the report builder. So this is gonna be the open, close work orders using the stack graph option. Okay, so and the information that we are going to use comes from the work order tables. This. So let's go to select confirm this and select some of the fields. Edit and continue the work order number. And select columns, not calls. Okay, and in this case, we are going to use this calculated fields. Okay, let me show you this. Apply change, and I'm going to use for this the pencil and display total. No, display functions another count. Okay, proceed. And again, we are going to select the edit to add a calculated field. So in this case, I'm going to, instead of select one of the fields from the work order tables, I'm going to add a calculated field. Calculated fields for the tables. When we create a calculated fields, that calculated fields is available for all the reports in the future. So if you need this calculated field that is going to calculate the number of closed work order and the number of open work orders, we can use that in another report. So in this case, we need to configure or add a name. So should be unique. Those work orders. Oh, we already have this. And this is gonna be closed work orders. What is expressions? So in this case, we can use one of the from here. We have open work orders. This is the expression that we need. In this case, it's open for the because the work order status is open, and for close, this field work order status is H. So let's go to copy this, and in this case, it should be this one to see, and let's go to paste in this. Okay, so but let me show you from where you can get this information. Remember in the workflow that we use the name of the table dot the name of the field. Okay, so let me show you where's that field name. If I go here to this part and select the no, it's open history. Open history. Here, this is the label of the field, open/history, and this is the name inside of the database. The table is work dot, and the name of that field inside of the database is work status. So we can get the information about the field that we want to use in the calculated fields from this list. This is one of the options that I prefer. Also, it is possible to get that information from the manuals of email, and also from the tools that we use to edit the form. So from this one, manage form, and then in that form, using the properties of the field, we can find that information. Okay, so there's different ways to get that information. So this is the name that I need to use, and what is the idea of this? This is a conditional function here. If the work order tables and the fields inside of that work order tables work status is H, then it's going to use the value 1. So it's going to sum that value to the value of this field. So it's gonna sum all the work orders that the status is H or close. Okay. So and we can use these two options, my calculated fields or global calculated fields. If you select this one, so uh, any of the users can use that calculated fields for any of the reports. So it's good idea to have this because it's something that is general. If you select mine, is because that particular calculated fields is means something for you and not for anybody. So here I'm going to select global. So this is the field for age, and we can save. So we need to show by month created the calculated field. So we are going to use another calculated field. So we need to click here on add calculated field. And in this case, it's going to be from the work order tables, and the field name is going to be yeah, this one, work order mode. Previously I used this. Okay, so in this is the work order mode, and the expression in this case should be month parenthesis work dot date underscore work order parenthesis. So this is the table, and this is the name of the fields inside of the database that contain that table. So let's go to select this one global. Okay. So this is the month. Gonna be that short term of the month, and the other calculated field that I need is gonna be on the work. In this case, it's going to be this one, short term month, and the function is c work dot date work order work order. So with these functions, it's going to extract the name of the month. The previously is just the number. Go to save as a global. Okay. And the next one is gonna be the year. So let's go to add calculated field work. This case is gonna be year. Work order year. Work order year. This one. So it's gonna be work order year. Field name. Work order year. Work order date. And year of the field work dot date underscore work WO. This is going to start that year. Okay. Okay. Then we can use the filter year. So recorded years should be equal to the current year. Okay. So Okay, so that's all what we need.
I'm sorry,
Why?
Manu, can you go back to the formulas that you did in the
Yeah,
selected columns? Can you run through that? So you got the work order number, we got that from the table, right?
yeah. The two is from the table, and this other they are calculated field.
Can you show us
So
the formulas or
the,
the
yeah,
syntax?
let me apply the
Oh,
change, and
sure.
then after that, I have access to the pencil. So for example, for this one, oh no, sorry, this, so I can. So this is the formula for the work orders.
Okay. So this is it will come back with a number. This is like an
The
Excel,
number of
almost like an
the
Excel.
number of
Ah,
closed
okay,
work orders.
close history. Okay, got it.
For the next
And
one,
then the month,
this month is a function. I'm
month.
going to extract the from this date, that is the field, the month.
Okay, so the syntax, the first one, the month is the value that you want, and then the work dot date underscore wo work orders, that is the table.
That yes, exactly. The field from the work order tables that I want to use to extract the month.
Okay, and then
So
the
this
next one that you wanted
the
is
next one.
the month.
This is gonna be is C month. So this one is the characters. The month
What is C month? Current month?
is no, it's character month. So is the name in letters.
Ah, okay.
The previous was the number.
Okay. So it's a character month. C month. So it's spelled out.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. And the expression, the syntax is C month. You're calling the system to give me a character month. Then go look in the table, work,
Work.
date. Okay, and then you showed us where to find that table previously, right?
Yeah, the name of the fields here is this one because it's different from the label. The way to find out that information is from here. One of the way to find that information from manage column, I can select, for example, the date. This one is this
Oh,
information
okay.
that is below to the. This is the label. W date is the label, and
Okay.
this is the name inside of the table of that field.
In the matrix. Okay. In the array.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
So, and for the year is this.
So we're calling for the year
Mm-hmm.
from table. So the array itself is work, and then the cell is the date and work
Date
order.
work order.
Oh,
Yep.
okay. Okay, I got you.
Okay. So that's the information, the fields that I need right now. And let's go to apply the changes. And first, let me show you a filter, because the filter that we used previously was for any of the fields inside of the table, but we didn't use this calculated field filter. So let's go to try using one calculated fields. Of course, that information is already inside of the table, but from here I have access to the you see calculated fields on the work, the enclose. Oh, you know what? I need to save the because I didn't save this. So let me save the report, save in the record, edit. Now, at a rule, those work order status. Oh, it's not here. Let me find order year. W. Oh, this one. This work order years. This is the calculated fields that we use, that we create. So it's equal to current year. So to get the current year, remember that we use this expression that was year date. We are extracting from the current date the year 2024. So this with this expression, we are going to see information about the uh, close work order for the current year. Okay, so this is another way to use the um, calculated fields for the filter. Okay, and let's go to use the group by. Okay, so now we are going to use the group by this part. So let's go to group by. In this case, should be quarter, year, and we're going to order by or quarter month, quarter, apply, and order by quarter month, or quarter month. It's gonna be this is quarter. Yeah, this one month. Why? Then see what is the information that we have until now. Review close work order. Oh, it's a close work order. So let me see the different work orders we have. So we just have one for this month. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we have three. Here. Maybe. No. Wait, right. You, or builder, and the order date, return, or quarter. No, oh, I can't. Nah, graphical. So there's no or quarter number count. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Or work order. Those work orders. What? Let me see what I missed here. Oh, this is character. That is not on short-term months, quarter months. Choose source year. Okay. What quarter number? Closing quarters. What quarter month? January, August. What quarter year? Okay. You know, closing quarters zero. Okay. So now it shows some information. So now let's go to the that I order by or to here. I need to use the order by short month. Apply. Oh no, it's number. So no quarter month. W O month. Order by this. This is the right one. Apply and then review. Perfect. January, August. And the year, I need to add a rule. Year, one quarter year. Yes, quarter year. work order year month. W on work order year. This is equal to expression, and expression give me this. So with this, then if I run the preview, there is just one work order. Okay, that's okay. I need to add more information about the different work orders. So let's go to select. We still have some open work orders. So H07. So just status, public history. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have four cross work orders. Okay, January. So let's go to change this. For example, this one, the close date, uh, complete date. This one is no. Oh yeah, is the close work order date. What was the date? Work order date. So this is the date. Work order date. Select this. So let me see. Okay, there you go. February, we have one. It's just to, I'm changing the information about the work order date just to be sure that we have for the for at least 3 months. But it's fake information. It's false information. So I'm going to get another work order like for example this one and change the work order date. In this case March. Complete March. And now if I go to the preview, I have 3 data. Okay, perfect. So this is expression. So we have some values to for the graphical report, and now we are going to select the variable from for the graphical report. So for the graphical report, we need to change this information here. It's this table. So for the graphical properties here, the captions, it's gonna be this open slash close work order stack. We just have the open the close work orders. So right now, later I'm going to add the calculated field for the open and show you that information. Uh, Category could be work order year. Okay. Now in this case, is work order character month. Work order character month. description is on this is the description. Display, yes. Legend on the top. Yep, that's okay. And graphical series. We need to have the graphical series. Group by work order, charters, order by uh, order by. Then let's go to save this. Save it again. Okay, graphical series. Then after that I save this basic configuration, I have access to the graphical series. So the in the graphical series, I need to select the work order number, which is the count of the different work order numbers. The description is order order created, and work order number, chart type. What is the type? It's gonna be columns, and in use a stack. In this case, I just have one uh, order created, order close, and add value to be close work orders. Description is work order close, and return type will be columns stack. Okay, so let's see what happened with this. To be able to see this graphical, we need to go to the run graph. Let's see. Okay, so we create for January 8 work orders, and we have close two close work orders. So let's see if that information is the one that we have in the table. In the table here, so we have for the work order number, we're going to select the date. So close work orders H. So we have January, we have two. For February, we have one, and one for March. So that information is the one that I have here. Okay. So now let's go to do something. Let's go to add the open. This is the closed work orders, and let's go to select the open open work orders. So for example, here, if I delete this, enter. So we have for January, we have we will have one, two, and three. Yeah, four open work orders, and one, one and two. Yeah, one and two closed work orders. So let's go to change that report. Um, uh, let's go to do the practice using the same report, so you can copy the calculated fields, and we are going to add a new calculated field that is for the open work orders. And instead of use this value here, the work order created, we are going to use the open work orders. Okay. So the
Manuel,
total.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yes,
I really didn't catch all of this. Is it possible to kind of run through it again? It was really
yeah,
confusing
that's
for me.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely, yeah, absolutely, yeah. So let's go to start with this. Create a report, select the table works,
Table work,
and
okay.
and let's go to select the columns here.
Okay.
So this is the part that we need uh to see. Okay. So work order number. With this, we are going to use the count. So how do you do that? Uh, Here we can change the function, but the right way to do that is close this. Well, I need to apply the change. So first, from the work, select only the field work order number, this one, and apply the changes. So now you should have in select columns only the work order number. Am I right?
Uh, okay, one second. So from work.
Oh, let me do this. I'm going to remove this. Uh, Close work order. So let me copy this because sometimes I forget. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's go to delete this, and this. Okay. So the first things that we need to do is let's go to delete this. Okay. So the first thing that we need to do is select the table. So right now you have only the
The
work
work.
order tables.
Yeah.
Yep. After this, I need to click here and select the work order number, which is this field. Okay.
Uh,
Apply the changes.
one second.
Apply changes. Okay.
Okay. Okay, I got work order number.
Mhm. Apply changes.
Okay.
And here we need to click this pencil, little pencil here. It's
Okay.
going to open the properties. In this part, display functions, we need to select count.
Okay. All right. I got that.
Proceed.
Okay.
And now I'm going to click the the upper pencil that we have in select columns
Okay.
here. And did you already create the calculated fields or no?
I did, yes. Work
Okay, so
work order month, work order year, and work closed work orders.
okay. At the end of the list, we have display calculated fields only. So we can select this one.
Display calculated fields only. Okay.
And then we can search for example, this one. This is the one that we create for the closed work orders. So we
Cause
can,
is it because you made it earlier, now it's available as a form for us to use? So if I was making another report, I don't have to regenerate it. I can come back and find this
that's right.
if I
That's
set it
right.
as
That's right.
global.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
that's right.
Okay. Okay.
Well, if you select mine, it's just for your user account. But if you select global, anybody, any user in emaint can use that calculated field.
Ah, okay. So if I did as global, Eddie or Tyler can go now and find it.
That's right. That's right.
Okay. Okay. All right.
So now I can click here on the plus sign, and it's going to add my calculated fields. The next one is the WO month. This one.
Work order month. Okay.
And next one is going to be this one, charters month. And the other one is the work order year, which is at the end. This one.
Okay,
Okay.
hold on. Character month. I don't think I made it.
Which one? This one. Okay. Let me show you the formula.
Okay.
This is the formula for
So,
them.
so I'm going to go to add calculated field.
That's right.
1 second, it's loading. Slow, slow, slow. Okay. So the field table, I'm going to use work.
Mm-hmm.
Field name, I'm going to put character month. Field description will be character month. And field expression is C month, character month. I'm going to get it from work table dot date underscore work order, date work order. Make it global, C month, work date. Then save. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now, okay, I've got them now. I got character month,
Okay.
work order year, work order number as account, and closed work orders.
So now we can apply the changes.
Okay.
Uh-huh. And we want this report for the current year. So we are going to create a filter here. So we are going to add a rule.
Okay.
And here we need to find the, the field that we create for the calculated field. That is the work order year, parenthesis W date. This one. It's just to show you the sample that we can use that calculated field for filter. But there is another way to do the same thing. That was the previous that we learned in the previous session. So this is the calculated fields and is equal to value, expression, and in this case we are going to use this one. Year is we're going to extract the year of the current date.
Okay.
That's the filter that we need to use. Okay, and order by, we are going to use this calculated fields W month. So we need to edit and search that W month field. So you can type here W month. So there you go. This is the field that we need.
Work order month. Okay.
Remember that this one is the number of the month.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So we can order. If we use the character of the month, that's is gonna be in a different order because August is
Alphabetical.
gonna be the first one.
Yeah. Okay.
And group by here, we are going to use the character mode. So we are going to show January, February
Mm.
as a letter. So
Okay.
for okay. So in the graphical graph properties, you need to this is the name of the graph.
We put that in, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the
Category.
caption, and then categories field.
I think that we select this one, I think. Oh no, this one is gonna be this quarter, month.
Okay. Category description is month. Display as a percentage. Okay. All right.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And do you have this graphical series windows open?
Yes.
Okay. So in this one, we are going to select first the work order number, which is a count work order number.
Okay.
What is the value? Is going to be work order created. So it's the total number of work order for that month.
Okay.
This is the type of chart that you are going to use. We have available columns, bars, lines, area, pie, dots. I'm going to show you, I'm going to use in this case columns,
Okay.
and the format is going to be stack.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
And I forget to use this, but it is possible to use the color to change the
Sure.
color. So for example, in this case, let's go to use for this one work order created, maybe the green. Okay.
All right.
And then we are going to add another graphical series here because it's a stack, it's a stack graph. So we are going to add a new one. And in this case, we are going to use close work orders. This is the number of close work orders per month. Here's one. And the name is work order close
Okay.
type columns
Column stacked.
tag and the color. Maybe for this one, we're going to select this
Blue.
blue color. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
that's it. That's all what I need. If I
Okay.
want to check what is the result of that graph, I need to scroll up and go to run. Now graph. So now this is the
Okay.
hmm?
Got it. Got it. Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
So now uh, what I want to do is create the same report, but not with the work order created, because this is the total number of work orders. So open and close. So we have close. So it means that we have 6 open work order here, and I want to show open work orders and close work orders as stated here in the caption of the graphical report. So how do you do that? So let's go to save first, my report, save. And now I just need to do some changes here. Uh, let's go to click here in the edit.
1 second. One or more fields contains invalid data. I won't save for me. Something's wrong with it.
With the
The report, yeah. Let's see. It says form cannot be submitted. One or more fields contains invalid data.
okay, let me
Something.
check. Server. What is the name of the report?
Oh, I didn't fill it in yet. Maybe that's why. Let's see. Okay, that's why I didn't give it a name. All right, fixed.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good, good. Okay.
Okay. So let me go back. Cancel changes and again click edit.
Edit.
And here we are going to add a new calculated field. So let's go to click here on the edit pencil of the columns. And let me check if we have that. We already have that complete, created, create years. No, we don't have that one. Oh, okay. Okay, let's go to add a calculated field. In this case, we're going to select work orders. This is gonna be open work orders. Open work orders, the description. And here, remember the expression that we use for the work orders. If you don't remember, you need to open this this PDF file. Copy this. Oh, good.
I got you. Okay, and we'll use O instead of H.
Yeah, that's right. Perfect. And it's gonna be global
One
and
second.
safe. So we have open work order here.
Okay.
So let's.
Manuel, how did you open that PDF file? Or is that at again?
He emailed it.
Excuse me?
Oh,
To you.
oh, I see it here. Okay, great.
It's called calculated
Many
field
emails.
expressions.
Thank you.
So apply changes here. So we have
Apply
this field here.
changes.
Okay. And now, oh, any field that I'm going to use for the graphical report should be in the select columns. If I don't have that field here, and should be a number. So if I don't have that field in this list, I cannot select from this part.
Okay, so they're tied to that. Okay.
So now I already have the closed work order. So what I need to do is change this one from work order numbers to open work orders and change the name.
So
Open work orders. This is the description. It's gonna be the columns stack. I can use the same
sure,
color.
sure.
So with this, you just need just to scroll up, run, graph, and now you have. Remember that we have 8 created
Oh, total 8, yeah.
work orders. So right now we have how many closed work orders we have for January and how many open work orders we have for January. In this case, we created and closed the work order. So that's one of the graphical report that I like because it's if you put um, that report in a dashboard, you can see that directly and show month by month what is the number of open and closed work orders that you have for the current year.
Oh, nice. Okay. Okay.
So now the other things that we need to do is maybe create a new dashboard and then add this graphical report to the dashboard. Do you remember how to do that? Okay, so open, close work order stack graph. So right now we have the right graphical report
I should
according to the
we should
description that
save
we
changes.
configure. Hmm?
Should we save changes?
Yeah, save. Yeah,
Okay.
save. And now let's go to a dashboard. Okay, so
Dashboard. Okay.
dashboard, we can select any of the dashboard, work orders, create a new dashboard. So let's go to say
Create
that
new
this one is
dashboard.
gonna be the training dashboard. It's gonna be the system seat. Okay. And in the training dashboard here, I can click here on the house icon, add widget, select my report. So now I have this report. Is the output should be a graph 60 y, and now I can extend my report this way. There you go. This is the report. Any particular report that you want to create, Sammy? Graphical report, maybe.
Um. Uh. Yeah. I mean, would want to have all the work. Well. I'd want to make one for the work orders and one for the projects, but we haven't done the projects yet. I think
Yeah.
that's later. Um, yeah, projects and Gantt charts. I think that's scheduled for later. But let's see work orders. Yeah, I'd want to see like by month how many work orders were generated, How many are open and how many are closed?
Okay, so is this one, this report?
This one is total. Yep. And work orders. Yep. That's it. Yep.
Yeah, open and close. Uh, the I didn't show that in the report, but there is another kind of type of view that you can select for that report. So let me show you. What was the name? Stack. Stack. So this is the report. Edit and uh, okay. So the other report that we can create is instrument. So let me see. Let me think about what we can do with this kind of report instrument. Okay, Angular gauge, Angular unit. So let me try this report. Ready node size body field. Open work orders. Every field. Every field. Oh, short-term off. This one. Open work orders. So I'm going to show per month the open work orders, and I'm going to select the instrument, another type of view, and in this case, um, I can select some range for the value. So, for example, for me, for the normal, the value that I accept as a normal for open work orders, it should be, for example, from 0 to 2. Okay, I'm going to add another color, yellow. This one is normal. This is low severity, and this is going to be from 10 to from 3 to 6. To 6. Add a new one, and red color, maybe severity from 7 to 10. Okay, so let me show you this. I just configured this, and if I select run instrument, then the system is going to show me, okay, for January, and in the I'm not in a normal value of reports. So I have 6 reports. Okay. So every time um, that instrument show me a value in this range, show me the severity of. So I have to pay attention to that kind of things. In this case, I'm doing with the open work orders just to show you the what is the behavior of this type of report. But what I saw with other customers is that they use the extended cost. So per month, how much money they spend, and they can make a measure and select the range that is normal, that is maybe a little too much, and they in a range that is too high, the quantity of money that they spend for the maintenance for that particular, um, could be per site, could be per state. So you can have in a graphical report what is the behavior of in terms of the money or of your maintenance expenses. So you can have that information. So that's another way to see the same information by using an instrument.
Okay.
But of course, right now we don't have too much information to be able to
To do
create
anything.
something that have a value for you. So,
Okay.
but the general idea is that you can quickly see what is happening with your expenses, for example, or maybe the number of work orders. Okay, yeah, I have uh, more than 50 open work orders, so we have too much work orders open, so we need to work on that work orders to be able to close and decrease that quantity. So that's another idea that you can use for this type of report. And of course, this information can be used. Remember that I used the same report. This is the same report with the same information. So I can save these changes back to my dashboard here. And inside of this, I can add the report maybe here. And I can add a widget with my report, open and close. And instead of graph, I can use an instrument. 60 seconds. I change. Oh, there you go. We have this report together with this. So I can with this. So for the same report, I have two representation. Yep.
Okay. Yeah, that's nice.
Okay. Any question?
Uh,
Too much information?
yeah, still kind of absorbing.
Yes.
Okay, just gonna take some practice, play around with it.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
I think so.
All right. Very nice system, though, I gotta say.
Mhm.
And you said X5 is going to be even more user friendly.
Yeah, yeah, more.
All right. No, Eddie, Tyler, you guys have questions?
Not at this time.
Yeah, good.
Phillips. All right.
Okay, let's go to have a break, 10 minutes, and then come back here and see the data dictionary and maybe the asset reservations.
Okay, I need to take a break at 12:30 in 40 minutes. Could we do the data dictionary, then take a break?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Awesome, that'll work.